Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making smothered chicken. For our ingredients, we have onions, bell pepper, garlic powder, chicken bouillon, complete seasoning, garlic, paprika, and Cajun seasoning. And then we have our chicken. We have a little bit of flour and some salt. Here we're going to add about a tablespoon of oil to our chicken. And we're going to rub all that over our chicken. We're adding the oil so that our seasoning can stick to our chicken. Here I'm adding the garlic powder, the Cajun seasoning, our complete seasoning, the chicken bouillon, paprika, and then I'm just going to rub that all over the chicken. I'm going to get all in the crevices of the chicken. We want to mix it well. So here's our chicken. Completely covered the chicken with the seasonings. So now we're going to set that aside and we're going to heat up our pan. And now we're just going to add our chicken in. I forgot to add the oil, so I'm adding the oil. And then we're just going to put our chicken in as it can fit. We're going to sear our chicken on both sides until they are brown. Anywhere from 4 to 7 minutes, depending on the size of your chicken. These chicken legs are pretty big, so they took a little minute, a couple more minutes than if you were searing smaller chicken legs. So here you can see that I'm checking the sides of them. Seared my chicken on both sides. Now I'm adding my onions and my bell peppers to my pan with my chicken. I'm adding some garlic. And I'm going to put my chicken on top of my vegetables. You're going to cover your chicken and you're going to stick it in the oven for about 1 hour and 30 minutes. And here is the chicken out of the oven. So I'm going to take my chicken out of the pan and my vegetables. You want to add some flour and some water. So you want to mix a little bit of water into your flour. I use about 2 to 3 tablespoons of flour in about a tablespoon or half a tablespoon of water. So here I'm adding my flour. And we're just going to thicken our gravy up some. And then I'm going to add my chicken back to my pan. At this time, you could salt your gravy, you can put pepper, anything that you want. But this was a little bit spicy because of the Cajun seasoning. So now I added back my vegetables. And now I'm adding some more vegetables. And I'm going to stick it back in the oven for about 35 minutes with the top off. Here's out of the oven. It has been about 40 minutes. I'm drizzling some gravy on the top, and our chicken is done. Look how delicious this chicken is and the gravy. Please try. This is a quick, easy meal with some sides. I made some yellow rice. And we're putting some chicken on the top with some of that gravy and a little bit of vegetables. And it was yummy. We have made smothered chicken. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eat. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.